Hey guys, welcome back. Before we start, I just wanted to tell you guys that this is my first impression of the HyperX Cloud Mix. I saw this on Amazon, thought it was a wireless 2.4 gigahertz with Bluetooth, but turned out it's not. It's just the Bluetooth and wired for gaming. So didn't know that, so just wanted to let you know that this video right here is my first impression, literally first time I've opened this. I didn't even read up on the spec at all. And so just to let you know, everything that you see on here is literally my first time seeing it. And here it is. Hey guys, it's Leon. Today I got me a HyperX, wrong way, HyperX Cloud Mix. I finally got this to add to my HyperX collection. In this house, we actually love HyperX headsets. As you can see on my table right here, I've got me a Flight S. This is the regular Flight. And then we also have the Cloud 2. By the way, Cloud 2, totally comfortable. I love it. That's my go-to headset right now. The kids have been using the other headsets and they totally love it. Yeah, HyperX is pretty much the brand that we go to when it comes to gaming headsets. They did not sponsor this video, by the way, which is kind of weird. They should. Just kidding. But yeah, finally I got this into my collection. We're gonna unbox this today and then let's talk about headsets. All right, let's do that. Let's see here. Some HyperX material for you to read in bed. Voila. Oh, this feels different. I thought it would be the same as the Cloud 2 headband, but it's not. Ooh, that new leather. That new leather smell, it's beautiful. The functional thing about this is it works the same as the Cloud 2. The earmuffs is different though. The earmuffs is a bit bigger. So you can see that it's more in line with like the Flight S right here. It's smaller, but you see how thick it is versus something like the Cloud 2. It's very different on that end, but from a look standpoint, it's between the Flight S and the Cloud 2. Yeah. All right, so I'm assuming that it's just going to be the usual buttons and things like that, meaning that the headset, you literally clip this one into here. Yeah. Will other headset fit in here? So let's see here. Cloud 2 has a kind of a different headset. Right there. Let's see if it will fit in here. No, it won't fit. I don't know why HyperX doesn't do that, where they, you know, the one headset fit into all of them. I don't know why they don't do that. Like literally every single headset is different. Let's see if there's some accessories and things like that in here. Ah, yes, there's more accessories in here. There's an actual wire for you to plug things into. Micro USB, by the way, that's how you're charging this. I'm a little disappointed in that, to be honest with you. I prefer like a USB-C. The reason why is, check this out. So you see on my HyperX Flight right here, I have this thing on there. It's basically a magnetic piece that I place over the charging port. This charging port actually goes out on me quite a bit, and this is the solution for it right here, where you plug this thing in once and then basically I'm using a magnetic cord to charge this. You see that? So it's just a magnetic piece. I did that on the Flight S as well, just so that it doesn't mess with that. Now the Cloud 2 has USB-C, so I'm not too worried about that, so I didn't do that to the. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do the same magnetic charging port for it as well, because it's micro USB. Micro USB just breaks really easily. Came with a really nice bag that says HyperX on there. It's a big bag. It'll fit that headphones. All right, and then okay, so you got yourself some audio cord right here with the controls on there. And then a PC cord if you need it. Wow. So yeah, this one right here goes into the mic and the audio headphone jack for your PC. And it goes out here. Very nice of them to do that, by the way. Okay, so let's take a look at the Headphone Aesthetic real quick. This right here looks good. It's very different. I like this the best so far. So if you look at the Cloud 2 right here, this piece on top is hard and it's plushy at the bottom. But here, what they've done is plushy all around. The mechanism though is the same as the Cloud 2, which I don't have a problem with. It's pretty strong, it stays in place, you know, that kind of stuff. The whole exposed wire thing, I'm not sure if that's just a HyperX thing, but they do that like to all of their headsets. Okay, wait, I am confused here. This thing is Bluetooth only? It's not 2.4 gigahertz? Did I read that wrong? I did read it wrong. I thought this has 2.4 gigahertz along with Bluetooth, where you can switch back and forth. I'm totally... I don't know how to feel about that now. I mean, 2.4 gigahertz is the way to go when it comes to gaming, wireless gaming headset, right, guys? Okay, so without it, I don't know how laggy it's gonna be using this as a gaming headset. Interesting. But anyway, since I have it here, I'm gonna go ahead and do some audio tests for you guys to hear. How about that? Let's do it. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. All right, folks. So I have this little contraption right here that lets you listen to the actual headset, the sound in the actual headset. And so I'm gonna play a little song to let you listen to this. But check this out, okay? It sounds exactly like you're sitting here, wearing the headset. It should, okay? So anyway, so let's go ahead and try that. I'm going to go ahead and play a song for you guys to let you hear how good the audio is. All right. It's about 75% volume. So that's music from Spotify right there. What do you guys think? Pretty good, right? All right. So next one, what we're gonna do is I'm going to let you hear what the mic sound like. Okay. I don't know if this is good or not, but we're gonna try. All right. All right, guys. So right now you're listening straight from this mic right here. Maybe it's too loud. I may move it out just a little bit. But you're listening to the audio straight from this mic going into the phone. So you should be able to hear me. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is the HyperX Cloud Mix that you're listening to. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is audio from HyperX Cloud Mix. Let me know what you guys think about this audio. But yeah, that's what the mic sound like. All right, guys, so there you go. That's the sound test for the Cloud Mix. I hope you guys find it useful. Once again, this right here is my first impression. I didn't even know that it wasn't 2.4 gigahertz wireless. So hopefully you guys don't make the same mistake as I did. And well, that's it right there. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.